just another quick update. I thought I might as well keep the videos going. You never know, these videos might help someone that is building a track, wants to build a track, or wants to see my progress and perhaps can benefit from what I do and take it even further. So I forget where I'm up to last time. We laid all that in, and okay, so what I've done is I've put some, where's my finger? We put some foam stuff here all the way along as a little sort of boundary. I've laid in the end foam here, and obviously everything's had a bit of a grey paint done to it. Yesterday I laid all this in. This is our turn one, and then have now cut that into shape, so that's just been painted. That'll look pretty good, and obviously I just need to come through and just mix up some grey, sorry, some brown and some green, and sort of make that look like it's some kind of rockery thing. Outside of that, we're pretty close to having it all finished. Oh, the only other thing I've got to do is I just need to fix up this area in here. I was going to keep it open, but I've noticed that when the camera swings past, you can see all this crap on the floor, so I just need to keep that open. Oh, and I've also just extended the table by one more of these wall panel widths, so the camera, as it comes past, it's not picking up the floor, so you can come out quite wide here and get all that going on. So it's starting to take shape. It's really starting to take shape. The only other thing I might do, I was going to leave this because you don't really see it on camera, however, this camera that's going to go on this end, if it sits here nice and wide, it's just going to pick it up. You can just see it in the corner there, so unless I angle the camera that way, I've still yet to decide what's going to look best on camera, so I might have to come back and do that. So once all this is painted and all the track's done, I've just have to design a 4 end stop here for when the cars stop. That's one other thing I've got to do. Then I also need to just do the start gate. I just need to put that in and then run some string from the other side all the way down the back, just so I can engage the start gate. This is not electronic, the start gate, this is just mechanical. It just, hang on, let's have a look. Let me just drag it down here. It's a very basic design. It is a box, and it's just loaded up, so it just runs with a piece of string. I do prefer the piece of string, so there's just less to go wrong with it than it being electronic. Nothing wrong with electronic, I would like electronic, but currently at this point in time I don't have those skills to design one yet. So we're just going with the old mechanical version, and which had served me fine for the last couple of years. So and what I'm also going to do is design and have these available for 4-lane, 3-lane, 2-lane, and also for the Aussie Crash Racer set as well, because there are no start gates that fits the Aussie Start Crash Racer track. So I'll start to design on that, so you people that have the Aussie Crash Racer set, you'll have a start gate that will fit the track. How about that? Alright, time for a cup of tea while I wait for this paint to dry, and then get stuck into putting the rest of it on. Yeah, you know what, I'm really wrapped how it's turned out. I've really enjoyed this process. I think it's been a great learning curve. This might be my last track at this level though. Man, I'll tell you what, it's just really taken a lot of time to get it to here. I wish I had more space just for this home run, but I don't. But anyway, just another update. I hope you're not bored with these videos, but you know, it might help someone who's trying to build something similar. And in particular, a 4-lane beast, I tell you. Jesus, this is quite a beast of a track to make. I'm not too sure if I'm going to sell the 4-lane tracks. I'm not too sure. I might sell the STL files, because to print these, man, they take a long time. And it'd be cheaper for you guys if you have the STL file, I think. You'll have a heart attack if I tell you how much I have to sell these for, plus with shipping. But for those that don't have printers, and if I do decide to sell them as a 3D printed part, you know, that will become available. But be warned, building a 4-lane track is not for the faint-hearted. You're going to need a lot of thought that goes into it, and also extra track to make it all work. Alright, I'm going to have that cup of tea and wait for this stuff to dry. Yeah, not quite dry yet. And then we'll put the other stuff on. Alright, catch you all later.